lick number 18. Okay, so now we're actually going to be using the tapping and sliding example, which I showed you a few licks earlier. Same sort of pattern in the left hand, is that we're starting on the 4th fret, hammering onto 5 on the B, then we've got 4 on the high E, 7 on the high E, then we're going to tap and slide between 11 to 12 and then back to 11 again, and we're just going to repeat that about 3 times or something like that. Then after that, we're then back down to the 4th fret on the B. We're then going to hammer on the 7th fret on the B. Then we're going to have a tap and slide from 11 to 12, back to 11 on the B this time. So when you join it onto the bit previous, it sounds like this. And then once you do the tap, slide, and then you pull off to 7 on the B, pull off to 4. Then to finish off the lick, we're going to have 6, pull off to 4 on the G, hammer on 6 again, tap 11 on the G, and then pull off to 6 and hold. So at slow tempo, the whole lick should sound like this. Okay, a bit quicker. Okay, now we're on to lick 19. Okay, we're going to start on the 7th fret on the B, hammer on to 9, and then we're going to tap 11. Then we're going to do the same on the high E string, then pull off, and come back down the same way. And then when you get back to the first note that you started on, you'll then slide up to the second note in the sequence. So slow, it should look like this. Okay, the second tapping sequence then slides into the 9th fret on the B. We're going to hammer on 11 and then tap 12 on the B and do the same thing on the high E. Then pull off. So then we're back to the first note that we started on. Slide from 9 to 11 and then we're into the 3rd pattern. So far the first 2 should look like this. So then once we get to 11, we're hammering onto 12 and then tap 14 on the B. Same on the high E. And then back down again. And then we'll slide from 11 to 12. And we're pretty much just going to keep going up that sort of scale. So the first 3 together should look like this. Okay, then we've got 12, hammer onto 14 on the B, same on the high E, pull off, then slide from 12 to 14 on the B. So far we've got this. Then we're going to have 14, hammer onto 16, tap 17 on the B. 14, hammer onto 16, tap 18 on the high, and then pull off. Then we're going to slide 14 to 16 on the B, and then the last pattern is just 16, hammer onto 17, tap 19 on the B. Then 16, hammer onto 18 on the high. And then just basically you're going to trill between frets 19 and 18 on the high E, but you're literally just going to be repeating the tap on the 19th fret. Like that. So that whole sequence slow should sound like this. Okay, and when you play it a bit quicker with some wah, it should sound like this.